guys, today I'm doing some code.org and today we'll be learning how to create a mini ball game. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first we want to type in a search bar, anything you use, code.org ball games. And you'll come up with a list of a few things, but the one you want to go is the Course 3 Bounce Level 10. So, as you can see, it takes some time to load, but you'll be getting into, you'll see something like this on your screen. So, once you've got this, you guys, as you can see, there are 3 levels before it, so you can go ahead and try them out. But if you want to get, but right now, I'll be just doing this. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Remember, also guys, you don't need to follow exactly what I do, you can be creative on this. So, yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the paddle speed to fast. The paddle speed is this little thing over here that when you move it, it will move at a fast speed. You also want to set the ball speed according to that is what I want to do. You guys can do anything different. So when the ball hits the paddle, I want to do a ball balance the ball. And I also want to play a bit of a noise. Again, there are multiple noises. You guys can check which one you want. So, you also want to launch a new ball so you know that you also want to launch a new ball that you know that the game can start. And you want to move left when the left arrow is clicked, and move right when the right arrow is clicked. So, if I press run, you'll see that I'm just going to wait. And as you can see, I am moving around nice. So you guys might be wondering, well, what about when the ball goes in the goal? Yes, you could. When the ball goes in the goal, you can place. You'll say score a point, and you can play. Maybe 1 point, and you could set a different scene if you want. I set the scene as retro. Again, you guys can do a random if you want. I'll do random actually. You don't have to pick. As you can see, oof. Now the ball's gone, so there's not another ball that's gonna come. So what we need to do when the ball misses the paddle, you want to launch a new ball, and you guys might not want to do this, but I'm also going to score a point for the opponent. So when the ball misses the ball, and when the ball hits the ball, it's just going to bounce off. So you guys can put some noises to it, or change the settings on the scene, but it's fine. You guys can pick either one you want. So as you can see, how the game it's picking randomly, but also to make a bit of a twist, instead of putting a set random here, I could put every time the ball maybe hits the paddle. So if I press run, look, as you can see, it hasn't changed much, but it is changing. Oh, there we go, the scene has changed too. So the game is a very concentrating game, so you need to be aware of how you play it and how you wish to hit the balls accordingly to it. So again, remember, you guys can be creative and do anything else. It doesn't have to be according to these or exactly the same. So that is it for today, guys. And also, I'm just going to do one more thing. You guys may be wondering that when the ball goes in the goal, I might want to launch a new ball. So, in this case, just the ball's going to go on the goal. Again, you guys don't need to do that, but it's just something I prefer doing. So, that's it for today, guys, and I hope you learned a few things that you guys can expand on and create new things, be creative, and stay home